Hey there, I'm Luke, the cooking camper. It's pretty early, so Xena and Mr. Cameraman are hanging out inside, but I want to surprise him with a little frappuccino. So I'm going to be trying out this new blender. They just shipped this to me and Xena, and I'm kind of nervous about pronouncing the name. Vaeqozva portable blender. Let's open this thing up. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm actually surprised. It comes with 2 reusable straws and a straw cleaner, which are super cute. Comes with the charging cord, and this is the blender. I love the color they sent us, this navy blue color. The only thing right off the bat that irks me is you can see that residue right there. There was a sticker that I just took off, and so now that residue's there, and there's residue down here too. But overall, it seems really sturdy. It has a lifetime guarantee. So let's go put some food in it. So what we did, half of a cup, a quarter of a cup, 1 tablespoon, 1/8 of a teaspoon, 4 tablespoons, and 1/3 of a cup. And now we are going to add some of this deliciousness, which we also have a promo code for and links down below. We're going to add half of a teaspoon. So I just read the box. This thing's going to take multiple hours to charge. Up to 5 hours to charge. But I blended this up in another blender. It is so good. Well, you guys, I can't read. You have to double click it once it's flipped over. So I've got some proteiny stuff in here. I'm gonna make Mr. Cameraman a protein coffee thing. So let's get it shooken up just a little bit. But so in here, I have 1, and this is too full according to their instructions, but this is only 1 cup of liquid. So it's 1 cup of original oat milk and then 2 scoops of his, it's like vanilla cake protein, 2 pumpkin Reese's, and half of a tablespoon of javy coffee concentrate. Now you got to double click it, and then you flip it over. So we'll see if it can get that really smooth. There's no ice in it, so it's not like a frap. It's just gonna be a, I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Oh, so you can tell that it's ripping up those Reese's pumpkins because you can see the little flecks in there. This, now that I know how to use it, it's pretty cool. Okay. So it didn't go for very long. So let's open this up. The cap thing is a little bit hard to take off. Wowza, that tastes good. Let's give it another blend to get it a little bit smoother. That tastes good though. This thing is, I mean, it's pretty cool now that I know how to use it. The only thing is, I don't know how portable you would have to bring all your ingredients with you. So maybe if you like pre-packed, like in plastic bags, if you pre-packed your smoothie ingredients and then like took them with you wherever you were going in a cooler or in a mini fridge, I could see this being pretty cool for like travel and stuff. But yeah, so now I don't want to put this whole thing in the fridge, and he's not home yet, so I'm probably gonna put it in another glass. And here is we're just gonna call it a milkshake. So is this blender like the best blender I've ever used? Come here, Xena. No, but I mean, it is a pretty cool novelty gift. I mean, it would be good for a Christmas gift. I will have it linked down below along with the javy. But yeah, so I mean, if you're into the whole idea of having all of those ingredients with you and like taking them all in a cooler with you, like on a hike or on a camping trip or on a road trip, I mean, the blender works for you. Just remember, don't be like me and not double click it. You got to double click to get it to turn on. Now, the cleaning function doesn't work amazing. You're just supposed to fill it up a little bit with water, add some dish soap and run it, and it did not clean it. So I ran it about 4 times and there was still food residue in the container. So then I just rinsed it all out with water and cleaned it. But yeah, so I mean, it was pretty cool. Me and Zena are very gracious that we got to try out this product. So if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you'll never miss the next time me and Zena try out a new product. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.